evening. She's wondering what clothes to wear. She puts on her makeup, brushes her long hair, and then she asks me, do I look alright? And I say yes, you look wonderful tonight. We go to a party, everyone turns to see this beautiful lady is walking around with me. And then she asks me, do you feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see the love light in your eyes, and I wonder all it all is that you just don't realize how much I love you. Time to go home now, and I've got maker, so I give her the car keys. She helps me to bed, and then I tell her as I turn off the light, I say, my darling, you are wonderful tonight. Oh my darling,